Here in September, the beetroot crop, having matured somewhat, now allows for the use of a hoe to assist in clearing weeds, not replacing hand weeding. It is important that the blade of the hoe does not go too close to the roots and stem of the crop, as it can cause damage and access points for disease to the crop plants. This is an English style garden hoe, which allows a downward hacking action that I find better than the forward blade of a Dutch style hoe, and this allows for quicker clearance of the weeds at a distance from the crop plants. So here in the vegetable garden now, this fuchsia is blooming again, and at a distance some apples can be seen. The apple trees.